Is your Toyota Land Cruiser key fob not working like it used to? It probably needs a new battery. This video will show you how to quickly replace the battery in your 2018-2024 Land Cruiser key fob. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a CR2032 battery. The process is simple and takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Signs of a weak battery include reduced range, delayed responses, or needing to press buttons multiple times. Don't ignore these signs or you risk being locked out. First, locate the small slot on the edge of your key fob. Insert the screwdriver or coin and gently twist to open the fob. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up, usually positive plus. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob by pressing buttons from a short distance. If it doesn't work, make sure the battery is installed correctly. Batteries typically last 1 to 2 years. Consider replacing it sooner if you live in extreme climates. Check your vehicle's infotainment screen for low battery notifications available on 2023-2024 models.